Best up from Jamaica, Randy Gaston here with another live stream. This is a Saturday chill sesh. We're just gonna relax for the Saturday. It's been a while since I've been on. So much love to everyone tuning in. Bless up to everyone worldwide and blessings from Jamaica. I actually loaded the kochi, my chalice right here. I'll be making some coal, some organic coal from some coconut that I have there. So I'll be steaming the kochi tonight for you guys. So bless up and just gonna get everything ready and set for the steaming of the kochi. So we're gonna play some music and relax. So let me turn into chat for a bit. And in chat we got Nitro Nomad, Token Steve 420, Dr. Wiggler, and the Podcast. Hi, Dad. Bless up to all of you. Bless up everyone. So relax to some music. I'll be getting the whole setup. So give me a few moments. I'll be right back. Sorry, I can't bring the camera with me. So, guys, I'm back and got everything set up. What I did, I broke up the coconut shells and burnt it on the stove. Still burning right now, don't mind. All right. And with this, yes, I'm gonna vape off of the chalice. The coal has been placed in the top chamber of the kochi. The clay mesh is there. So with that, I'll just basically suck in the air. Let me mute this for a while. I said, I'm gonna be vaping off of this kochi right now, the chalice right now. With that, I basically lit some coconut shells on fire, let them burn out, and basically just gonna use the heat from the coconut shells to heat the weed, vaporize the weed that's right here. So all of this is just heat. Right here is weed. So gonna play back the music, and as you can see, it start vaping already. So much love. We're gonna be vaping tonight, and I'm gonna be lighting a spliff. Much love from Jamaica and blessings to all. I'll play back the music.
follow me vibe, girl. Now where's you going without you and the feelings can't hide it. Remember when you say you need me all day? Make love from the room, cooking at the hallway, girl. We don't really want to learn the hard way. We don't fear, we say please, girl, stay. One more night, give me just one more night. Girl, one more night, 'cause I can't live without you. One more night, let me give me one more night.
That taste though. Like last night when I was vaping off of it, it had a specific taste, but I can't get the flavor, yo. Can't get the flavor.
Sexual spirit is a waste of time. Negative thinking, don't you waste your thoughts. Verbal conflict is a waste of words. Physical conflict is a waste of flesh. People will always be who they want. That's what really makes the world go round. Unconditional love is scarce. Yeah, precious life to me. So I live my life for you. You've always been there for me. So I've been there for you.
It indeed tastes wonderful, lit tea. Whoa. No, that flavor hit. Yeah, the coconut helps with the flavor, but I'm getting to taste the terpenes in the weed, and it's amazing. And forevermore.
So I have faith in you. You've always been there for me. So I'll be there for you. You've always been good to me.
Wow.
Even when I'm not good to myself.
Bless up the tea. Let me see if I can light up the coal.
So I will do right by you. You've always been there for me. So I'll be there for you. You've always been there to me.
I am that idol.
You've always had faith in me. So I have faith in you. You've always been good to me. You've always been kind to me. You've always stood up for me. You've always been there for me. You've always been.
I hope you're feeling better, not the tea. Hope you're feeling better, Dr. Wiggler. Don't like getting sick myself.
When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel like the richest man in Babylon, and I've done my best.
Thank you.
So everything's alright inside.
Put this one at the bottom.
Every morning I rise, I stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. So when the evening comes, I lift up my eyes to the hills, I'm just over. With my two hands in the air as far as I every morning I rise, I stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. Yeah. Lift up my eyes to the hills, I'm blessed over. Sometimes I'm lost and far from home, but I'll find my way. I follow my heart, I know I'll be found someday. While I'm lost, I learn and live. What do you say? Let's have a good time until
Just here eating up the coal in the cutting. Right, Mrs. name is Danielle, and I'm going to tell her hi for you. What's up to everyone, and thanks for tuning in.
with my two hands in the air as far as I can.
Best up, General Loach. What's up in the place? Give me a sec, guys. Go and burn some more coal, coconut coal.
Glory, hallelujah. I'll be that man. Oh, most high God. Glory be to most high God. Hallowed be thy name. King of kings and Lord of lords, worthy to be praised. I ascribe to you dominion, power, will vanity. But I know you control my destiny, and for you all blessings flow. From yesterday, even today, and tomorrow, it's me against God. As I fall on my knees today, and with God I pray, nobody can away. It's me against God. As I fall on my knees today, and with God I pray, preserve my soul. Ooh, yeah. My heart is willing, blessed be, oh God. Oh, your way, I pray my soul to me. Though my enemies they camp at me,
Okay, back guys, and got some more coal. I said burning down into the kutchi.
it's me against God. As I fall on my knees today, and we God I pray, nobody can away. It's me against God. As I fall on my knees today, and we God I pray, preserve my soul. Ah, glory, hallelujah. Bless my soul, oh God. Oh, Most High God. Say glory be to Most High God. You love me. This King of Kings, Lord of Lords, worthy to be praised. I ascribe to you the victory, power, and praise. Throughout the years and years to come, have all the race. It's me against God. As I fall on my knees today, and with God I pray, those are the keep them. It's me against God.
So yo, I'm basically vaping off of this right now. This is a vaping function of the chalice. I got coconut coal, basically broken up some coconuts, burnt it on the stove, and yeah, got myself a vaporizer right now. Because what happens, the clay mesh is right here, limiting the coal from going anywhere near the weed. And all of this is stuffed with marijuana, ganja. So with that, I get to vape as the heat transfers down into this clay bowl, warms up the weed, and the vapor just comes down. I get to puff it.
Come to give you more again, yeah, yeah. You'll never find no one shines so black I do. So never mind things that people say that I'll never hurt you. You'll never find no one in this night time. So never mind the time was right. Baby, lay your head to rest, baby. Let us put us to the test, baby.
And trust me, the taste from the coconut and the weed itself is. I'm still trying to figure out what the taste is like, but it's really nice.
Things that people say that I'll never hurt you. You never find no one in this lifetime. So never mind the time is right, baby. When time comes around and no one's around, I'll be there with you, girl. You'll never find no one in this lifetime to love you like I do. So never mind things that people say that I'll never hurt you. You'll never find no one in this lifetime. So never mind the time of mine. Baby, I'm
It's like, oh, nice. By an Oz. Ready to hit a fire? Tag me into that picture when you post it of that um, piece. I'm not familiar with it. And yes, for those who want the bamboo chalice, the link is in the description below. I said vaporizing off of the chalice now.
never find no one in this lifetime to love you like I do. So never mind things that people say that I'll never hurt you. You'll never find no one in this lifetime. So never mind the time of mine, baby.
I'll play the Carnix instead. Okay, I'm feeling the effects now. I just felt my body, like, I felt vibrations in my body. Vaporizer work. Bless up, West Michigan girl. I said the link in the description below to get one of the chalices.
For every pain there's a melody, yeah. For every trouble there's a harmony that brings everything together. So make us sing together and lose the light now. And every man got this.
By the way, the link is in the description. Not in this description. The link to the Google Hangouts is in the chat. You guys can feel to jump in the panel with me, have a little chat, have a little smoke. And so we're just here chilling on the Saturday. Give me a second. So my niece is over and she basically wanted to check in on me. Uncle Randy doing a live stream with cannabis, so no little babies around. And don't worry, my room is air sealed. West Michigan girl says hi. Bumbo. This a beat like a champion. Mrs. gone to bed.
Don't criticize it. Legalize it. Yeah, yeah. I will advertise it. Some call it therapy. Some call it weed. Some call it marijuana. Yeah. Some of them call it ganja.
And this is how you catch a flame, people. This is how you catch a flame. I could carry the Olympic torch anywhere.
Singers smoking, and players of instrumental. Legalize it, yeah, yeah. That's the best thing you can do.
No.
Doctors smoking, nurses smoking, judges smoking, even the lawyers.
Oh God.
So you
Chalice.
legalize
Nah,
it.
Rampro.
Don't criticize it. Legalize it. Yeah, yeah. I will advertise it. It's good for the food. Good for asthma. Good for tuberculosis. Even neurosis. Doctors legalize it. Don't criticize it. Legalize it. Yeah, yeah. I will advertise it.
Was just about to.
Birds antelope, fowls goes love to play with so you got to legalize it. Don't criticize it.
Chalice puffing tough indeed, Nitro Nomad. I said this is the steaming function. I got the coconut coal in there and it's just chugging. This is some mystery kush that I got from a really good dealer. But yeah, it'll work well in the chalice. One thing about this, it really captures the flavor of the coconut and whatever strain I'm smoking on. Hey, let me see if I can light this off of the coal. Well then. Never too much weed. Bless up Looney in the place. Vulgar display of power wheels. Bless up, my brother. I said we're blazing the chalice and a spliff at the same time. Never too much weed. So I'm smoking and vaporizing at the same time. all to the lungs. I felt my lungs fill, but nothing else came out. So how is everyone doing today? What you smoking on in chat? And bless up worldwide. Much love worldwide. Natural Nomad smoking on some dark plasma. West Michigan girl watching UFC. Which match is going on? Jesus. After this, I'm gonna have to go ahead and rewatch that. And yes, I'm a UFC fan, ex-kickboxer, Sasquatch Aquatics, best up in the place. Burning a joint of AK-47. Multitasking indeed, West Michigan girl. But best of for your presence, you know you're always welcome. Okay, there are a few fights for the night. Definitely go and check it out. Eventually, West Michigan girl, eventually. Santiago? Who's Santiago fighting? If a Ruiz, well, that guy shot. Ooh. One thing I don't like about USC, the face hits though. Can't take any bleeding to the face. But best up. And yes, love the song as well, General Loach. And you're smoking some OG number 18. Nice. After December, January, February, I'm going to definitely have to get some more seeds in. By that time, greenhouse set up, lighting ready, and I'm going to be seeing if I can grow some good quality herb now. Some tall monsters. Whoa, we. Next song is Weakness for Sweetness by Richie Spice. I got weakness for sweetness, and everyone knows. Next is Buju Banton. Wanna be loved. She just looking at me. That was Buju Banton Wanna Be Loved. Really nice song. Hopefully I let him out soon. Next song is Busy Signal Come Over.
Hello, baby, can you come over? Right now, loneliness taking over. We need you tonight, and be over. Come on, your partner, be cover. If we're acting, you know, shake on over. Rub me just rest your head on my shoulder. And if we listen some Anita Baker. Make love till we wake up in the river. Girl, you're all I need, and I'm always missing you. Listen, baby. Listen, I need your tenderness. I can't resist you. Listen, baby. Listen. Girl, look me up, squeeze me tight and close. Come and make me press up on the king size force. Me and you forever, girl, when we toast, to love life, we are frost and the most. Love it on a vice when you call me names. Over and over, she scream again. Hear me ask me what if you remain till the sunshine come out again. Girl, you're all I need, and I'm always missing you. Listen, baby. Listen, I need your tenderness.
Best up General Louch, and that means a lot. The support means a lot. I hope you guys enjoying the stream. Much love. Just rocking out to some reggae now.
And I'm always missing you. Listen, baby. Listen. I need your tenderness. I can't resist you. Listen, baby. Listen. Hello, baby, can you come over? Right now, loneliness taking over. Me need you tonight, and be over. Come on, be your partner, be cover. Let me rock till the lap shit turn over. Rub me just rest your head on my shoulder. I make me listen some Anita Baker. Make love till we wake up in the vibe. Girl, you're all I need, and I'm always missing you. Listen, baby. Listen. I need your tenderness. I can't resist you. Listen, baby. Listen. You know me up, squeeze me tight and close. Come and make me press you on me king size toast. Me and you forever, girl, now but the toast we toast. Turn it on the left, we across on the nose. Put it on a vice when you call me name. Over and over, she scream again. Heal me arms, me want you to remain till the sunshine come out again. Girl, you're all I need, and I'm always missing you. Listen, baby. Listen. I need your tenderness.
Next song by Chronix. I'll turn it down a little bit.
My mind wanna be alone, my heart wanna be alone. Can't be without you, no way. Every time I play tough and walk away, I find I needed to fill up this empty space. Oh baby, loneliness taking over me when you're gone out, darling. Loneliness every day. Loneliness taking over me when you're gone out, baby. Loneliness can't stay away. And I don't wanna be lonely. Don't wanna be la. I don't wanna be lonely either. But when you call when I'm like everything alright. Deep down I know I wanna see your face, baby. Every man needs that space, and every heart needs embrace. Not trying to leave you no way. Every time that I surrender to you, I start to miss the feeling of feeling blue, baby. Yeah. Loneliness taking over me when you're gone out, darling. Loneliness every day. Loneliness taking over me when you're gone out, baby. Loneliness, nothing I enjoy that thing there. No, there is everything.
Come on. Best of Smokey for president. What's up, my brother?
Loneliness, taking over me when you're gone out, darling. Loneliness, every day. Loneliness, taking over me when you're gone out, baby. Loneliness, loneliness.
Now for the final song that's gonna take us out for the night. Bless up to everyone that has been tuning in. Bless up to everyone. No, we find the Bada Chronics. Yeah, man. I just have to take way out. So bless up to everyone for tuning in to the stream. Much love for the support. Much love for always showing up. Blessings from Jamaica. Um, to those who just came in, I was vaping off of the chalice since night. It's been kicking. It's a really nice thing to do. For those who are interested in the chalice, you can go ahead and go to the online store in the link below in the description and get your hands on one of the bamboo chalices. Much love and let us vibe out to the night.
who you wanna be. Once you're with me, baby, I feel fair. So much beautiful things to see. Girl, don't waste the life. And there is only one love to give. Girl, now is the time. And I don't know if I'm being
So smoking for president, if you have a smoke sesh, I'll definitely stop by.
I wanna take you somewhere tonight. And I don't know if I'm being sorry by my side. Hey, and I don't know if I feel alright. But I beg you come chill with Johnny's tonight. Why, oh, why, oh, why, oh,
Thank you very much, Sasquatch Aquatics. Glad you enjoyed yourself. Bless up from Jamaica, my brother.
girl, put on a short stretch your foot down. Yes, girl. Where we are going, it's not that far. Park the car and make we take a walk. And I don't know where you wanna go, but I'm willing to take you there. But I know if I car a bicycle, but baby, come let me take you somewhere. And I don't know where you wanna go, girl. Come with me, girl. So much things to see, so many things to see, and I don't know if I'm trying for Riverside, girl, but I wanna take you somewhere tonight. Lord, because me see it in your eyes, and me see it in your eyes. I say you're higher than a 9 to 5. Plus the passport have you in a overdrive. But me say that fireman I like your vibe. So let me take you to the forest with a sightseeing. Chilling on the beach with you beside me. The paparazzi ask if you want me white. When you want go tell them me get them. Oh, and I don't know where you wanna go, but I'm willing to take you there. But I know if I car a bicycle, but baby, come let me take you somewhere. And I don't know where you wanna go, girl. Come with me, girl. So much things to see, so much things to see, and I don't know if I reach out.
If I Riverside,
Hey, but I wanna
take you somewhere tonight. I said, bless up to everyone for tuning in. Much love from Jamaica. It's been a blast having a Saturday's chill set with you all. Much love from Jamaica. Much love everywhere. Much love worldwide. Have a great night. Have a great day. Merry Christmas to all. Merry Christmas when it comes. Blessings always. Much love from Jamaica. Randy Gaston. Out.